Hello, I'm Rick with Midwest Soft Wash, and today we are washing this house in Forestel. We're doing the roof. Here's our soft wash truck. All nice, quiet. Sounds like he's rinsing. Okay, we already did the roof. Show you. They had bad mold, lichen. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it right there. See how it's white? All that white crud. That's the dead lichen and mold. So eventually the root system will die. That'll fall off. Look, brand new. This whole roof was black. We got a couple touch-ups, but I think he already hit them. There. We'll probably reapplicate this whole roof just to make sure. Then we did this pergola. There's Jacob helping us out today, watching out for that TV. Even though it's an outdoor TV, I still don't feel comfortable getting them wet, even when we wrap them up. So we try not to I don't even deal with it. But this is an easy roof today. We got up on the roof, walked it, soft washed it. How's it going, Jacob?
Going good.
Yeah.
Almost done.
Almost done. Looks like he's wearing some solution today. Got a little bleached out. But yeah, we're rinsing these. This is kind of a metal vinyl, and these come clean. This is all yucky. We're also doing the window cleaning, spot-free window cleaning with our water-fed pole. We're coming down and we're washing the house, but we're washing the house. Already got that done. Windows look good. We're coming back for the concrete. They want, I'll flip this around. They're selling the concrete. They're selling the house. So they want us to come back and soft wash and power wash the concrete before they sell it this spring. They want it looking perfect. So we're going to come back, do that, and we might even give another window clean. Exterior, we only do exterior only. We're an exterior cleaning company. Anything exterior from your roof all the way to your curb, we can wash it, soft wash it. We do power wash, not too much, but like here, like this here can be soft washed. It's not too bad. You have some, just like what's on the roof, those black stains, those come off. And when you pre-treat and post-treat, what happens is you kill the mold. So if you just power wash this driveway, a couple months, you'll start seeing where you power wash the little lines that'll come back in the mold. You just basically gave it a haircut, almost like cutting the grass. But these tractor lines here, we need to power wash this because they ripped out a tree, so a skid loader probably, or something to rip out the tree with. I'm not a lawn guy, so I don't know too much about that, but everything's looking good. This right here, this can be soft washed. But there's a couple oil stains, oil spills. We'll use our degreaser, clean it all up. Nice property. It's December 1st. This is our second house of the week. Second roof wash. We are extremely busy. If there's anyone out there, we service the whole St. Charles, St. Louis area, feel free to give us a call at 636-294-6224, or hit us up on the web at midwestsoftwashing.com. All of our estimates are free, and this is a true soft wash system right there.